Hello, everyone, and welcome to the portfolio website for Team Hawksbills. We chose the name Hawksbills because it's a sea turtle species, which is a reference to our pod name, the Sea Turtles. My name is Nee, and I worked on the homepage and the nav bars. So upon visiting the website, you'll be greeted by a swimming turtle. Then you can scroll down into the Meet the Team section, where clicking a button will take you to the About Me, which Yan Yu worked on. And as well, we have all of our social links displayed in the footer.
And I'll show you this part of our portfolio, that is how are we displaying our projects. So when you go to the section of projects, you'll see that the different projects of the person will be displayed, and when you hover over in each project, it will shows the title of the project, a brief description, and a link to that project, so you can go to whatever project you like. For example, let's say that we like this, that is Don't Fear the Reaper. Let's click check it out, and it will take us to the GitHub page where the project is hosted.
We have also styled elements with CSS using Bootstrap and Flexbox for responsive interface that adjusts on cross-platform devices. As shown here, we have 3 photos of members horizontally on the laptop. And for the cell phone, the 3 members are readjusted to be displayed vertically.
To design the website, we used Figma. The wireframe starter kit made it really easy to just put quick layouts together and to drag and drop things around during the team discussions, especially since everything is remote.
We used Flask as our web framework written in Python. Flask is lightweight and easy to set up, so a Flask app can be written in a few lines of code and be widely accessible. Flask depends on the Jinja template engine. Its great features include URL routing and templating. Its URL routing makes directing pages easy. And the most powerful part of Jinja is the template inheritance. Template inheritance lets you build a base skeleton template that keeps all the common elements of your site, while the block section lets the child templates override or replace a specific section of code. So whichever section is between the blockhead will replace the sections in the base.html, and everything else will be copied over to about.html. Flask also use expressions with these special delimiters with the double braces to display outputs for each member, like retrieving data from the route or from the JSON file.
So the nav bar and the footer are in the base template, which then gets inherited by the home page and the about page. To display the social links in the footer, we just iterated through each user in our JSON object where we're storing all our data. Then we go in and extract each person's name as well as their link. For the home page, the hero section and the Meet the Team section was just done with some basic HTML, CSS, and the Bootstrap grid.
So how do we do this? Well, to do that, we use, of course, the render template functionality from Flask. But an interesting thing is that we're sending our data using a JSON file. So we're loading the JSON file here on our app.py program, that is the main program. And as we see, we have all our information stored in this little JSON file. So basically what we are doing is that depending on of the name of a person, we will send the user data with the data of that specific person. So in that way, we're not sending like the whole object in case we don't need it. So once we send the user data, we go here to our about.html, and we are using a fourth section to display for each project of that person the information. So for example, let's go to Genju's data. Genju is over here, and we see that she has all her projects here, and we can add more projects, and they will be displayed on our portfolio website. And also, I would like to talk to you about how we manage our Git repository. So as you can see here, we have our README that has all the information needed regarding to our project, like our inspiration, what it does, how we build it, and also at the end of it, you will find how to install the virtual environment and in order to run that on your machine. So for each problem or each functionality, we had an issue, and then when we resolve it or solve it, then we created a pull request. So as we can see, all our pull requests are now closed. But basically, for each new pull functionality, we created a pull request and we linked the issues that we had to this new pull request. So if we go to our project, we will see, and actually this was a cool functionality because this is automated. So each time we had a new issue or a new pull request, it will show in this card that is in progress. And once that issue or that pull request is completed, then it automatically goes to the done card. And as we can see, all our issues and pull requests are done. So yeah, so that's basically how we manage to do our project and our repository.
So that concludes our demo video. Thank you for watching.